Hi, everybody. My name is Meredith Maples, and I lead the KW University team here at KWRI, and I am here to share some really exciting news with you. We recently launched Connect, our new learning and events platform. It's a part of the larger Command platform, and I'm going to show you how to access it and how to find all the amazing things that lie ahead for you. So first off, you would log into Command like you normally would. So if you've never logged into Command before, it's the same login and password that you use for MyKW or for KW Connect. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in here. And when it logs me in, the first thing I'm going to see is the Command dashboard. If you look up in the left-hand corner here, you're going to see Connect. So if you click on that, it's going to take you to our new platform. So you'll see two applets over here. We have the Learning applet and the Events applet. And we're currently in the Learning applet. So you can see at the top here, we have Learning Home, My Learning, and Browse All. We also have a banner here that shows some quick links that I can get to. So our KW University classes I can access very easily. And then we also have a few other things here on the home page. You can look at things that you've already started watching or reading. So continue learning, those will automatically bookmark for you. You can bookmark things using the little bookmark tab, and you can see I have a few things here, including our own Jen Davis's video around playbooks producing results. Now at the bottom here, you can see our Discover More section. These links change every single time you log in to Connect. So the idea is that you'll get exposed to cool things that you may not know are in the platform. And so you always always tab in there, check out what's there. Over on the left-hand side, you'll see we have some quick links, things that we know that people are looking for: Ignite, Bold, Build a 100K Pipeline in 90 days, Power Through a Shift, playbooks, and then how to become a KWU faculty member. Now, if I go up here to the top and I click My Learning, that's going to take me to a dedicated page that shows me all of my bookmarks, anything that I've started watching or reading, and anything I've completed. And don't be fooled. I have actually completed content. It doesn't show up here because I'm normally logged in under KW University. We have our own dedicated account, and this is my personal account. So I'm going to click over here to the Browse All, and this is the thing I think you're going to be very excited about. So we have dedicated categories and topics that are searchable. You can go in and easily find things, as opposed to KW Connect, where I know that there were some real challenges on being able to find the things that you were looking for. So for instance, I'm going to scroll down to KW University courses. We have all of those listed out here. But if I keep going, I'm going to find that I have my lead generation, my leverage, and my listings. I also have dedicated topics for luxury. We have on-demand series that we've run before. So wealth building, our podcast, all sorts of goodies. Now, you don't have to find content that way, though. The search up here is a global search. It works for the Learning applet and the Events applet. So for example, I'm going to type in career visioning, and you'll see that a bunch of things come up. Now, right here, we have all results. If I'm looking for dedicated learning results, I want to pull assets. I want, for instance, the marketing flyer that would show up here, and it'll show what events are coming up. And this ties directly into our Events applet. So I'm going to show you that next. Coming over here to the Events applet, these are all KWRI events at this point. We do have plans to add on regional events and market center events. That's going to come at a later time, but we're starting with KWRI. So I'm going to go down here and I'm going to find the leverage, next iteration of the leverage series that I know we're teaching here at KWRI. And it is coming in June. Let's see. There it is, June 12th. You'll see it is $249. Jean Rivers is teaching it, and it's a 2-day event. Now, fun hint, if you have not taken the Leverage series in a while, highly recommend that you come to this one because Jean is going to be teaching our newly revamped version of career visioning. So something very exciting to look forward to. But if I click this, it's going to take me to the main page. It's going to give me all the details about the class, and then I can register for the class directly from this page. Now I'm going to go back over to Connect. I'm going to pop back over to the Learning applet, and I'm going to type something else in. So I'm going to type in buyer conversations. and you'll see all sorts of things come up. I have a conversations category that's dedicated. I have dedicated videos. We have Denny teaching how to lead stronger conversations in a shifting market. Feed your database with win-win conversations, all sorts of on-demand videos and buyer tools that exist here for you. And that's our new Connect. Really excited to hear the feedback that you guys have. Please email me, meredith@kw.com. I really want to hear what you think. And like I said, we're going to continue to improve on this. This is the worst it's ever going to be. And really excited about what's to come.